Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet bag strip or bag handle. This is a very simple and easy procedure, and let's start. I'm taking this thread. You can use any of your thread or yarn. First of all, we will make 5 chains and slip stitch in very first chain to make a circle here. Then I'm going to make single crochet in back loop. As you can see, single crochet in back loop of the chains. Now in the next back loop of the chain, basically we have to make slip stitch in next back loops and repeat the same procedure till the end or till our desired length came. This is very simple and easy procedure to make a beautiful crochet belt or crochet bag strap or handle. We have to keep repeating the same procedure till our desired length. As you can see, this is a very simple and easy procedure, but the belt is looking so gorgeous. So here is the final look came. This is very simple and easy to make, but seems classy in the structure. So here is the final look of our crochet belt or crochet strap for our bags, and I hope you will like this video. Please share it with your loved ones who wants to learn the crochet. There are so many videos on my channel for the beginners as well, and if you are new on my channel, please make sure you have pressed the bell icon and share it with your family members or friends. For more videos, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you so much.